Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be using and playing with the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. So if you want to see what this look turns out to be, then just keep watching. So I've been wanting to try Juvia's Place's palettes, that was a mouthful, because I've just heard that they're really good quality, but I just haven't been able to get myself to spend the money on them. So I was at the end of the checkout at Ulta and I saw this little baby one for $10. Let me just take it out of the packet so it's not so reflective. So it's just this little baby one. So these are the colors inside. What sucks is there's no picture on the outside of what the colors are, so I kind of gambled because I've never seen what the palette looked like inside, but it's just a neutrals palette, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and use this on our eyes. I have concealer down and I did not set it, but I did my whole face, so let me just blend out any creases that might have happened. Okay, so first let's go into the lightest shade in the palette, which is right here. There are no names. So I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush, which is the Morphe M504, and we're gonna take that color all along the crease. I'm gonna bring that all the way in. I think let's do a halo eye today. I haven't done that in a while. Probably should have grabbed a smaller brush, but we'll make it work. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush just so I can get in the inner corner more easily. So it's a Morphe M505 is what I'm gonna use with the same color, but that way I can just kind of get in here more. Just having too hard of a time with that big fluffy brush. We're gonna put this in the crease, but also on the lid a little bit as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a slightly smaller brush. This is the MAC 217, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here just to kind of start deepening the crease a little bit, and then we'll go in even further with a darker shade. But this one I'm gonna stick it to be in the crease. I'm just gonna keep going back with the other brush and blend the two together just until I get it to a color that I really like. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm putting the first shade further out so we don't lose that shade. That probably made no sense, but I understand what I'm saying. Now we're gonna go in with an even smaller brush. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm going to take this deep brown shade. Oh, I just noticed my fingers almost match the palette. So we're gonna lightly take that, and I'm going to put that right in the outer V and basically the whole crease of the eye. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. I kind of want to do a wider halo than you would typically see. Let's use some concealer to cut out a bigger crease. So I'm going to use my ColourPop, put it on the back of my hand. Let's just use this. This is the Luxie 246 Precision Crease. And I'm just going to take my concealer. So then I'm going to take this pinkish shade right here in the palette, and I'm actually just going to use the same brush and just use the other side, because why not? Okay, let's try using my finger instead. It's on my finger. That's a lot better. Just sucks because I can't be precise with my finger. See? Can't be precise. It's fine, it's fine. We'll use the brush to clean it up. I'm gonna use the brush to kind of clean up all the edges. Now I'm gonna go back in with the tiny brush, the small blender, and I'm gonna take that dark brown shade and just try to blend the edges. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this Eco Tools flat eyeliner brush. It's just a flat definer. And I'm going to take that dark brown shade and smudge it on the lower lash line. We're going to put it on the outer and the inner corners to match the halo above. And then I'm going to do whatever is left on this. I'm not going to add any more products, but then I'm going to kind of blend them together in the middle, but just so that the middle is not as intense. So I want it to kind of mimic the above look, but not fully. Now, I'm going to clean this brush so I can use it again. Hold on. Okay, so now let's go into the very first shade we used, which is this one. And I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M506. And I'm just going to use a shade to buff this all out. I want it to be very smoky. Really quickly, I do want to show you the other two shades in here just so you can see them. So those are the other two shades that are in the palette, just in case you're curious. Normally I wouldn't do that, but since there's only two other shades I haven't touched, yeah. I feel like this needs an eyeliner, but I don't know what shade I would want to do. Alright, so we have either an olive, Bali bronze, or a dark teal. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror to see what looks better. Let's just do the green. Let's do green. So this is by the brand IBY Beauty, I think, and it's just called Olive Pearl. Let's use this. Never used this, so I don't know what it's gonna be like in the waterline. Hello? Okay, so it did nothing in the waterline. Okay, let's try the bronze shade instead. So the bronze one is by Bodyography. It's called Bali Bronze. And I guess we'll try this one. I'm gonna let this eye dry because it's kind of watery now. And you're not doing anything either. I mean, it did a little something. I guess a little something is better than nothing, so yeah. So I'm gonna use my same thing as always, MAC Nylon. Let's highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and lips off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, mascara and lips are on. Mascara is Lancome Monsieur Big, per usual. I did go ahead and switch my waterline because I felt like it needed to be more bronzy, deeper, darker, yeah. So I went ahead and actually used the like dark turquoise shade I was talking about. So this is Appeal in Forest Green. So let me just show you on the hand. This is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see compared to the rest that it looks green. It almost just looks like a dark brown or a black. But if you're close up, you can tell it's a darker green. Anyways, lips is the Tarte Tarteist lip paint in the shade Get It with the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in Dulce. I'm gonna say it's just Dulce on top. So that is this combo, which I actually really like it. So yeah, I think this palette is great. These eyeshadows worked really nicely, and if you're not wanting to go and splurge and get a huge palette, it's only $10. This for me would be an easy everyday look, like just popping those two shades on at the whole lid and calling it good. I would do daily. So I actually think this palette's really cute and really convenient for an everyday kind of eyeshadow look. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.